The trial against the 3 cops implicated in the death of Mario Dean continued in the Westmoreland Circuit Court today, with the Crown's second witness continuing his evidence-in-chief following ill health. We have the details in this report.
After battling ill health, the Crown's second witness took to the stand on Tuesday, day 6 of the Mario Dean trial. Although previously testifying that he was on sick leave on August 3, 2014, the day Dean was beaten, the police witness told the court today that he was contacted by Indicom on August 9, 2014 to give a statement. The cop further testified that after giving the statement on the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF's lockup administration policy, he was contacted yet again to give another statement on September 10, 2014. When pressed by the prosecution about which one of the statements he had mentioned the lockup administration policy and procedure in, he responded, "I do not remember the specific statement that I gave that information." The lawman also failed to recall the issue date of the policy as well as the section of the policy he made reference to. The prosecution then served him with the document to refresh his memory. He also mentioned that while the Barnett Street lockup has cameras, at the time of the incident he was not certain if they were functional. The prosecution's third witness, another cop, also finished his cross-examination on Tuesday. He admitted to writing in the station diary that Dean would have been given bail. However, he said he erased the same after Dean refused to cooperate with the police. Meanwhile, Supreme Court Judge Justice Courtney Day later informed the court that their matters arising from case management and that one of the Crowns is now deceased. The prosecution served a document to the defense, who is expected to respond. Justice Day also cautioned the media to exercise care when reporting on the trial and refrain from releasing the names of witnesses. The matter was adjourned until March 20 when the cop will be cross-examined. Allegations are that Dean was arrested for the possession of a ganja spliff and placed in custody at the Barnett Street lockup in St. James, where he was reportedly beaten on August 3, 2014. Dean died 3 days later at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.